Westermans here with a Bode VP2 welding positioner, 2000 kilos, with a face plate of 1500 diameter and a hole through chuck which is 70mm on the hole. It has adjustable height on a peg system with power tilt and variable speed. Power supply is 3-phase and neutral. You can see pendant control. Pendant is only for forwards and reverse, variable speed. The controls for tilter on the control cabinet. Variable speed. Obviously forwards and reverse. More details can be found on westermans.com or by emailing welding@westermans.com for prices and more photographs. Thank you for looking.